Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Stream for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 6, renaming your video. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be vascular business. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go into the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Apps, scroll to Explore the Applications. Now let's click on Microsoft Stream and let's focus on a screen recording video that we created using Microsoft Stream itself. If I now click on the three dots, which is the More Options, open up the video and its file location, we can see that the name of the video is called Recording. If I click on the three dots, I can rename this video to something else. Let's just say Screen Recording. For CSV, click on Rename. The video itself has now been renamed. Let's now quit Google Chrome. Let's now go into the dock again. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome, office.com, go to Applications, go to Microsoft Stream, and the video should have renamed. If that's not the case, let's now click on the video itself. It cannot be reached because it has been changed. So what we can do is, if we just hide this option within Microsoft Stream, we know that the video itself has changed. So what we will have to do is go to Applications and go to OneDrive to see that video itself. So screen recording for CSV. If I click on this video, and there we have it, the title of the video has changed to screen recording for CSV.webm. So in fact, the name itself of the video has been changed. Let's close out of the current tab, reload the page. May take some time for the changes to be made. If I click on this, there we have it, screen recording for CSV. If we wish to change the title, we can do that. Command A to highlight, backspace. Screen recording for CSV. That's saved. Go back one. And the changes should take place within the next minute or two. What I will do is quit Google Chrome again. Go all the way down to the dock again, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case, office.com. Before we go to Microsoft Stream, there we see screen recording for CSV. So the video title and the name of the video has changed to screen recording for CSV. If I open up using open file location, and there we have it, the changes have been made in OneDrive. If I were to click on this video within Microsoft Stream, the title of the video has changed and the video name has changed. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.